Hi, welcome to Baker Affair. I'm Pika, and on today's episode, I'm going to be making the ultimate lemon curd that's made with gelatin. And I would also like to say thank you for being here, and this video is going to be a little bit different because I forgot to turn the mic on, so I have to voice over everything. So I hope you can get past that and enjoy the video anyway. And I appreciate you being here. If you're watching, if this is your first time watching, I'm sorry it's this episode. If you are a fellow follower that's been watching my videos, I sincerely apologize because I made a big boo-boo. Anyway, to no further ado, enjoy. Okay, so let's get on to the ingredients. You're going to need 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin, 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1.5 cups of sugar, 4 eggs that are beaten, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of butter. All right, so over a double boiler or a bowl over a pot with some simmering water like I have, you're going to add the lemon juice, then you're going to sprinkle the gelatin on top of the lemon juice, and you're going to let it melt into the gelatin. You're going to let melt into the lemon juice. Then you're going to add the sugar, the beaten eggs, the butter, and the salt. And then you're going to cook it at a low heat, not boiling, because it'll cook the eggs. Although I usually cook the eggs anyway, but that's another story. Anyway, and then you're going to cook it until the mixture thickens, and that's probably about 10 minutes. Okay, so now can you see the mixture has thickened? It's not as liquidy. And now I'm going to take it off the heat, take the bowl off the pot, and put it on the side, and I will be showing you what I do next. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain it because I inevitably always have like pieces of egg or whatever. You don't want that. It's kind of disgusting. So I like to strain it, get all that. If there is anything there, you get it out, and then it's nice and smooth. Now that it's been strained, you know I have to try it. I always have to try everything. It is so delicious. It's sweet, it's lemony, so lemony. It is so delicious. It's unbelievable. Until next week, ciao.